Welcome back to Energy Work Fundamentals. This is Lesson 6, Healing Energies. In this lesson, we're going to talk about forms of light or healing energy which establish wholeness in the body. These energies are integrative. That means that they allow the part of the body which is being healed to become reestablished with its source, divine intelligence. Think of a tuning fork. The forms of light resonate at a very healthy resonation or energy frequency, which is akin to that part of the body's optimal health. So they come in and they're resonating at a healthy level, and that allows the part of the body which had gotten out of its proper function to come back and resonate along with harmoniously, and in so doing, that part of the body is reestablished in its relationship to the wholeness of creation, to the wholeness of the physiology. Just like the energies that we looked at in previous lessons, light energies or light medicines range from abstract to concrete. When stresses clear out of the body, then a space of pure potential remains. This pure potential allows the body to be then receptive to a divine healing energy, which brings it back into balance. For example, if a person contracts a cold or flu, that means that a virus which is resonating at a frequency which is unhealthy for the physiology has penetrated through to our bodies, and I can say that most viruses that I am familiar with tend to come in at the astral level of the physiology, which, as you might recall, is our shielding. And also another note about the astral body, it is intimately connected to the immune system. Interestingly, the center of the astral body and the center of the immune system are located in the heart chakra area. Although we call the chakra in the middle of the chest the heart chakra, the actual heart, of course, is off to the left. The organ that actually sits in the center is the thymus, which is a little gland which is the main administrator for the immune system. Probably talk more on that later too. Anyway, the virus penetrates the astral body and can cause a disruption in the structure of the astral body, which should look like spun silk and very smooth. But when a virus is present, usually the astral body looks a little raggedy, could have some lesions in it or a nubbly texture. So one of the parts of the healing process for a cold or flu is to do some work for the astral body by, after the dark energies are cleared out, by bringing in some form of light medicine. Now, the causal body has organs which actually produce medicines for the physiology, and we all produce custom medicines for ourselves. So there are specific medicines which affect the astral body and make it stronger and also more resilient. However, another really interesting form of light medicine that can come in is something I call a matrix. Matrices are comprised of these filaments of light or consciousness described in the last lesson. In the case of matrices, these filaments form together into geometrical forms. Think of something that looks like a mandala, a kind of multidimensional sacred geometrical form, where the beams work together and where they cross, there's a node or a kind of knuckle where a specific energetic structure resides. These energetic structures in various matrices work together synergistically to promote specific effects for the physiology. But the most important thing to remember about matrices is that they are stable. They're very stable forms because they're made in this sort of geometrical pattern, like a crystalline patterns. So if a person has a generally weak immune system, it's frequently the desire of their divine intelligence to receive a matrix. And by the way, all of these light medicines come in as the choice of the individual who is being healed. So next time you find yourself coming down with a cold, remember that before you have a lot of intense symptoms, the virus is already present. So take time to drink hot tea and get yourself to bed on time, get yourself to bed early, and eat right. And I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.